This is the result while I use CapCut to enhance the clip of Marvel. Do you know how to make it? Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are new here. So let's go. Firstly, input your video into CapCut. Click Adjust. Graphs. And follow my steps. Click Effect, Video Effects. Choose Blur. Adjust the layer to the main video. Click Export and save the video. Overlay the exported video to the main video after export. Click Blend. Select Burn. Adjust to 20 to 24. And then overlay a white picture. Adjust the picture to suit the video. Choose Blend again. Choose Overlay. Adjust to 50. Click Export and choose the frame rate to 60. Now your video will be much clearer. But if it's too complicated for you,